Welcome back to LGS Cars. Imagine a sedan that looks like an SUV, feels like a luxury car, and drives like it came straight from the future. That's the all-new Toyota Crown 2026, a bold reinvention of Toyota's most prestigious nameplate. Gone are the days of conservative design and subtle upgrades. The 2026 Crown is here to turn heads, challenge perceptions, and raise the bar for premium Japanese sedans. Bold, SUV-like presence with premium flair. Unlike its traditional sedan predecessors, the 2026 Crown continues its new design direction with a fastback crossover silhouette, combining elegance with athleticism. The high-riding body, sleek LED lighting, and signature hammerhead front fascia scream modern sophistication. Chrome accents are tastefully applied, while two-tone color options add flair to the already dramatic profile. The bold proportions make it stand out not just among sedans, but even next to luxury SUVs. It's clear that Toyota wants the Crown to appeal to buyers who want something classy, yet different. Technology that thinks ahead. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a minimalist, yet luxurious interior. The 2026 Crown comes equipped with Toyota's latest 12.3-inch dual-screen layout, integrating both the digital gauge cluster and infotainment system. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and the new voice assistant AI adds a touch of futurism to daily driving. For audiophiles, the JBL Premium Audio System delivers a concert-like experience, while ambient lighting enhances the mood at night. Toyota's new digital key also allows you to unlock and start your Crown with just your smartphone. Performance, hybrid power meets smooth precision. Under the hood, the Crown 2026 offers two hybrid powertrains, a 2.5 liters dynamic force hybrid for efficiency-focused drivers, and a more powerful 2.4L turbocharged hybrid max system, delivering up to 340 horsepower for those craving excitement. Both versions come with E4 AWD for optimal traction and control. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city streets, the ride is silky smooth, quiet, and confidently composed. Safety, intelligent protection all around. As expected, the Crown 2026 is loaded with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, including adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, blind spot monitor, and 360-degree camera. The vehicle structure is also built on Toyota's TNGA platform, providing enhanced rigidity, lower center of gravity, and improved crash protection. Price and availability. The 2026 Toyota Crown is expected to start from around $41,000 USD, with the top trim Platinum model reaching above $50,000. While already available in Japan, global rollouts including Southeast Asia and North America are scheduled through late 2025 to early 2026. Final verdict: the Toyota Crown 2026 is more than a flagship, it's a statement. With its SUV-like stance, hybrid power, futuristic features, and luxurious interior, the Crown has reinvented itself for a new generation of buyers. It may just be the most unique premium Toyota ever made.